Okay, so here's the story. GQLQR sent me their smart AI mouse right here. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, especially since AI has become a huge part of everyday life. Right off the bat, I love the minimal dark tone packaging, but let's go ahead and unbox it. First impressions, it's got a super clean minimal design that just looks sleek. The fabric coating feels soft, but still gives you the perfect grip. Everything is right at your fingertips and it's so intuitive to use. I love the ergonomics of this thing. The moment I put my hand on it, it's just got a nice cushioned feel to it, making it ideal for long hours of use. And the weight, it's being compared to an egg, light enough to throw in your bag and take anywhere. Whether you're working from a cafe or traveling, it's super portable and convenient. Now, I'm not a fan of loud clicky buttons, but this one keeps it light and quiet. Here's how it sounds. There's a whole range of buttons at your fingertips, making it super versatile. It works on almost any surface, which is a huge plus for convenience. On the left side, there's a speech to text and translation button. Then there's the M button, which you can customize to your favorite hotkey. In the middle, you've got the floating AI widget button on top and a screenshot button below. The mouse has definitely got features, but let's see how they perform. We have a USB-C charging port, but for some reason, we don't get a charging cable. Alright, let's dive into the features and see what this thing really can do. First up, we've got the AI button right here. AI is everywhere these days, so having it at your fingertips definitely comes in clutch. Just press the button and your favorite AI model will pop up on the screen ready to interact. I love the floating AI feature. When I'm writing my script on Notion, I don't have to exit full screen mode, open the browser and then re-enter full screen mode. I just press the AI button and a floating AI assistant appears for me to interact with. What's more, I can drag and resize the AI widget to the best position for my workflow. It's a super cool feature, it works very well, but I would really like to see how they possibly could integrate Apple AI with this mouse. Next, there's the audio input button. Just press it, start speaking, and it turns your speech into text. It can take up to 400 words per minute. Alright, so we got some text right here that I'm going to read out, so let's see how it does. There's a whole range of buttons at your fingertips, making it super versatile. It works on almost any surface, which is a huge plus for convenience. On the left hand side, there's a speech to text and translation button. Then there's the M button, which you can customize to your favorite hotkey. In the middle, you've got the floating AI widget button on top and the screenshot button below. The mouse has definitely got features, but let's see how they perform. Oh wow, this is very impressive. And it even translates into your target language automatically. Alright, so now I'm going to be speaking French, so let's see how that does. Bonjour, aujourd'hui on doit filmer quelques clips pour notre vidéo YouTube. I've been using it to reply to emails, and it saves me so much time. But make sure you don't move the mouse if you're going to be speaking, so that you don't disrupt the recording. Now let's talk about the customizable hotkeys. For example, I use Command A all the time to select everything, and now I can just press a button. Another feature is the one-click screenshot with image editing and auto text extraction. It's super helpful for turning digital notes into text. The image editor tools are excellent for marking, noting, and commenting. I use them frequently in my own work. For example, when a colleague sends me a PDF document or an image, I'll simply take a screenshot, mark it up, and send it back. It's a really seamless process. The DPI sensor is sharp and super responsive. For everyday use, it's smooth and gets the job done. But let's see how it handles gaming. Let's get Fortnite opened up to test it out. And although this isn't a gamer mouse, I'm impressed with how lightweight it is, and it really isn't bad. It's compatible with Bluetooth 4.0, and it also has 2.4 GHz connectivity, so switching between devices is a breeze, therefore making it super handy if you're juggling multiple devices. To make the most out of the features on this mouse, you'll need to download the software. It's pretty straightforward. You've got key mapping that allows you to customize the mouse to your liking, and you even have the options to set up your own AI engine. You can also update the mouse drivers right here, and if you require support, you can reach them here. Overall, the software is intuitive and easy to use, though I wish there were more customizable options for adjusting scroll speeds. Overall, I think this is a fantastic mouse that really helps bring AI into your everyday life in a meaningful way. It's clear this mouse was built with productivity as its core focus. As someone who's always looking for ways to align tech with efficiency, I love how it seamlessly integrates AI to take your workflow to the next level. It's like having smart technology working quietly in the background to boost your productivity without any extra effort. For me, a great mouse needs to deliver on performance while also fitting seamlessly into my workspace, and this one definitely checks the boxes. Even without the AI features, this mouse is a solid all-round daily driver and makes for a great travel companion. At $50, it's fairly priced, so if you're looking for a compact everyday mouse with a touch of AI, this one's definitely worth considering. I'd say it's definitely up there with other AI mice like Logitech's AI Edition M750 wireless mouse. If you guys would like to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care.